Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Telegram this group cannot be displayed problem. So guys, at first go to your phone settings. Swipe down and go to your app management. Now tap on app list. Now go to your Telegram app. Then tap on storage uses. Tap on manage space. Tap on clear. Again tap on clear. Now go back and tap on the down clear. Now go back to your app management. Now tap on permissions. Tap on apps. Now go to your Telegram again. And now just turn on the all options. So guys, that's it. I hope this medium will be useful for you. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.